If you're like most people, then you realize coming up with keywords on an ongoing basis can be a real struggle. What are you going to target? How are you going to find them? Yet, there are perfect keyword ideas hidden right in your Google Search Console account that you can actually leverage to write great blogs, put landing pages, do YouTube videos like this one that help people find your business or your product or your service or just you as a creator. So, if you are using Google Search Console, I hope you are, to track your performance, this is going to really help. Now, here's something cool. These are the results that I'm getting and the growth in my personal blog, keeganedwards.com. One of the things that I'm doing to find keywords to help target this, I'm going to show you. It's simple and easy and free and right here in your console. If you're like me, this is probably what your progress looks like. Not much for a long time and honestly struggling to find keywords. And there are lots of paid tools and lots of options. And even I talk about some of them that help you find keywords, yet it can still be pretty tough to figure out if you'll actually rank for those keywords or if Google actually thinks that you have domain authority surrounding those keyword ideas. What that means is like, oh, I can find a keyword in, a Google keyword planner, but then if that keyword has no relevance to my business, even if I think I could rank for it or has low, promise, I don't know that Google even associates my business or my blog or me as a creator in the first place with that. Google Search Console is going to help you narrow in on not only the keywords that are available, the volume associated with them, and whether or not you can target them, but also whether you might already be somebody that Google thinks is probably relevant for that search term. So, the first thing that you're going to want to do is go into your Google Search Console account and sort the search results tab by the last 12 months. So you can see I've done the last 12 months here. And then what happens is you scroll through and you can see the things that you're ranking for. It's only going to give you the first 10. That's not where this is. You have to first go and expand this. And you're going to see, okay, here's all the things I'm ranking for or getting clicks for, and here's all the volume associated with them. Now, as you scroll, this is what most people do. They keep scrolling, they expand this, and they keep scrolling and scrolling and scrolling until they get to this boring part where they're seeing, hey, I only get one click for these things, and there's low impressions here. And so this is where I give up and stop looking at my Search Console account. Yet the gold mine is right below this. So as I scroll all the way down, you're going to see all of a sudden I get past all these ones and boom, here's where all the magic starts to happen. You can see the number of impressions, meaning that there's significant search volume associated with these keyword terms, and I'm getting no clicks, which I could also look at the page report and see that, I'm probably not ranking. Now, what that means to me is that Google associates my business and my blog with these things. So impressions, but I probably don't rank very well. In fact, let's sort for those rankings. So you can see average position now. As I scroll all the way down to these, my average position is pretty low, right? Which means that I have a piece of content on my website that is sort of related to this, but way below everything else because I didn't target that keyword specifically. But I'm knowing that Google kind of associates my blog with that content, and I can see, wow, there are a lot of people that have searched for this and that I was even in the rankings for in the first place, albeit way down below. So you can see local SEO software, Google Fetch and Render, To Social, retail advertising examples, SEO automation tools, MailChimp and Shopify, enterprise SEO audit. And you can see there is volume associated with these keywords because I know I'm ranking for at least a portion of that, even though I'm ranking, 80, 60, 50s, way down below. Home improvement marketing. So what this allows me to do then is to take these keywords and actually build a piece of content that's optimized around those searches. So I can look at something and say in the last 12 months, and even if I go beyond this now to 500, you're going to see that there's significant search volume associated with these terms. So search for Amazon SEO tools. And I might just take something like that, Amazon SEO tools, and say, okay, how do I build a piece of content, whether that's a video blog, or just a blog article where I examine the Amazon SEO tools, how they work, what they can do, how they can help people, what they accomplish, and create a really great blog for that because I'm already coming up and I understand that there's volume associated with that keyword. So if I have a highly optimized piece of content that is looking to help people who are searching for that term, there's a good chance not only can I rank because my business or my blog is already associated with that, but I can also drive significant web traffic for that keyword. So that's the keyword data that's hidden right down below, along with the potential volume that you could get for your business right there in Google Search Console. Stick around because I'm also going to show you all the ways that you can use AI blogging and other tools to help you optimize content for these types of search results. We'll catch you in the next video.